Hello friends! Movie starts with the argument of couple who was the parents of our main lead. Our movie's hero was in bathroom. His name is Rajiv. His father asked her wife that what does he done in bathroom for long time. Here Rajiv is show some porn stuff literature in bathroom. Rajiv is getting ready for going his university. Here we show Membo. Membo is the best friend of Rajiv who arrives at the home of Rajiv. Membo tries to flirt with homemaid. Maid also seduced Membo. She also awakened Membo's desire. Both friends are going to university. Here we can see the atmosphere of Indian university. Here our movie's main lead Payal arrived, who was another best friend of Rajiv and Membo. Payal, Membo and Rajiv are best friends from their childhood. Payal is a simple Indian girl and till now she is virgin. Payal is so simple that everybody teases her by calling a nun. Rajiv wants a sexy girlfriend, where Membo praises the simplicity of Payal. In college, everybody enjoys their fresher party thrown by university. Here, the college leader asks their helper that she wants to first prize this year in music, drama, and as well as in dance also. As usually, Rajiv has been selected for dance competition and Candy give instruction of dance practice. At midnight, Rajiv want to show a porn movie. At that time, multimedia phone is not available, so television is the selected option. When the movie goes to started, as soon as his father arrived, Rajiv suddenly changed the channel and his father is also sitting to watch a television with Rajiv. Rajiv's father told to Rajiv if any time he wants to learn something and need help, then he can easily tell his father. Here father tries to give him a physical sexual education. Next day, Membo teases Rajiv for not showing the porn movie. Rajiv meets Payal at college canteen. She is writing the study notes. Some another classmates teases and bully Payal and says a nun cannot perform on fashion TV. Rajiv takes stands for Payal. Payal has always soft corner for Rajiv. According to Payal, there is something more than friendship between Rajiv and her. On traditional wear day in university, Payal is looking gorgeous in her white lehenga. Here everybody adores the beauty of Payal and Rajiv also impressed by Payal. Here Javed invites Rajiv and Membo to his farmhouse party, but only couples can allowed in this party. As listening, Membo and Rajiv are disappointed because both have no girlfriend. Here, Rajiv tries to convince Payal to go on party. Rajiv is giving fake confession of his love against Payal, but Payal take it very seriously and also confess her love for him. Here, when Rajiv and Payal are doing their love talk, on that time Membo comes and teases Payal and Rajiv. Membo is very happy for both his friends. Here Rajiv confessed against Membo that he approached Payal only for the sake of couple party. When party is over, their relationship will be also over. By chance, Rajiv hurt Payal against his friend, but Payal talks like nothing will happen between them. Membo feels so sorry for Payal. Rajiv confesses his love in front of all classmates and beware them to not to call Payal a nun. Everybody are happy by Rajiv's move. Rajiv drops Payal at her home and asking for a kiss. Payal denies for a kiss. Rajiv is so angry for not giving the kiss by Payal. Payal is giving the kiss to Rajiv on phone and gave information that she is alone at the home. Her parents are not her home. Rajiv grabbed the opportunity and visits Payal home. Payal was worried about neighbor that they will not see both of them alone at home. Rajiv tries to hugging a Payal, but Payal did not like it. Rajiv show a personal diary of Payal where Payal capture all moments of Rajiv. Rajiv feels the love of Payal. After that, they enjoy their quality time. Suddenly, Payal's parents are at the door. Her parents spying the whole house. Rajiv is coming on ground floor with the help of pipeline. Today, Payal performing a fast for the long life of Rajiv. In India, every married woman performed Karwa Chauth Vrat by fasting and without water. This fast is over at night when woman's partner or lover feeds to his beloved or wife. So Rajiv wants to come to house of Payal for breaking her fast. Rajiv arrives at the Payal's home by climbing a pipeline. Payal and Rajiv perform their Karwa Chauth ceremony. Payal is very emotional at the time of rituals. Here, Rajiv and his classmates try to convince the parents of Payal. Payal's friend tries to convince Payal's father for giving permission for night party and day night picnic. They successfully granted permission. Everybody enjoyed the company of each other. Payal and Rajiv talks each other separately. Here Rajiv wants to intimate with Payal. He tries to harass her. Payal did not like it because she believes that if we love someone, there is no space for lust and desires. Payal tries to excuse Rajiv, but Rajiv was not gave up. Payal suddenly slaps Rajiv. Payal now understands the whole scenario. For the sake of a night party and his physical sexual desires, Rajiv approached her. Payal is so sad by knowing the whole truth. Rajiv insults Payal against their classmates. All classmates tries to solve problem in between them, but situation become more worse than before. Membo tries to patch up between them. Rajiv gave condition for patch up that Payal gives the kiss in front of all classmates. Payal refuses to kiss Rajiv. Next day, new girl entered in college named Alisha. Everybody tries to approach and impress Alisha. By Payal feels so pain for their breakup. Payal takes off her ring given by Rajiv. Now Membo tries to give a company to Payal. Alisa tries to approach Rajiv for dance competition. Now annual dance, music and drama competition prepared by Candy. Rajiv carries fake bandage and plaster on his hand. Payal asks what happening with his hand. Rajiv gave answer that he was fell down. Now Payal is winner and get first prize for painting. Candy is crying for the dance competition. Later Rajiv removes his fake bandage and dance on the floor to impress Alisha. Alisha also take part in dance competition and gave the company to Rajiv. Now their college win the dance competition also. Alisa confess her love for Rajiv. Payal also saw the whole scenario. Payal is writing a note for Membo. Rajiv is quite jealous of Membo. Payal wishes birthday to Rajiv. Alisha also wishes birthday to Rajiv. Alisha have no time for Rajiv on his birthday because of her modeling. Every classmate enjoy Rajiv's birthday party. Rajiv and Payal talk each other and Payal give a watch to Rajiv as birthday gift. Here Rajiv confesses his mistakes which before he had done. Membo tries to comfort Payal. Rajiv and Membo are having arguments about Payal. Exam are performing in college. Everybody is busy in the preparation of annual function. Alisha is so jealous for Payal and Rajiv. Alisha bullies Payal and said not to seduce him because he is her boyfriend. Alisha talks nonsense about Membo and Payal. Membo interferes and takes stand for Payal. Rajiv slaps Membo for his misbehaving with Alisha. Membo was very sad that his best friend slapped him for sake of girl. All friends took stands for Membo and Payal, but Alisha dragged him with her. With having quality time with Alisha, Rajiv still thinking about Payal. Rajiv also adored Payal's beauty in the face of Alisha. Rajiv confessed his love to Alisha with the name calling her Payal. Now Alisha also realized their bonding. In the party, Rajiv says sorry to Membo and they make out. Membo tries to propose Polly Pereira. Rajiv tries to talk with Payal and want to make out with her. Payal is very angry and did not want to talk with Rajiv. Rajiv confessed apology in front of all students. Payal scolded him and forgave Rajiv. Alisha also realized that Payal and Rajiv is being always made for each other. Here Payal and Rajiv being couple forever. Movie ending with a happy ending. So see you soon in a next video and next movie. Till then, bye bye.